Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add a React Native phone call. So whenever we have a mobile application, we have the footer where we need to please contact us, and we have a call button, and when you click on that call button we can pass the whatever the number, and it will direct go to your dialing screen. So this kind of stuff, if we are doing, so we have to use the React Native phone call, right? Correct. So we have to install the React Native phone call. And how we are going to use it? Import call, React Native call, and arguments you need to pass like this. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial section. So here we have created on press trigger call button. This is a demo. If I will click on that, you will see that I will read directly to by calling directly on my phone number, right? If you want such kind of functionality, what we have to use the React Native phone call or npm install, right? After this you can see that what we have added. This is the touchability of opacity, where we have to on press trigger the click button. On trigger the click button, what we have do, what they have written is, you can see that a const number and the prompt. Okay, so prompt true, and the input value by default we have set it to the this number, and you can change it, or directly you can pass the number over here. You can eliminate this line also if it is static number. If it is coming from the API, then you can set the value in the state and retrieve it value from this, right? So that can also do. Just I have added the React Native phone call using the on the trigger function. We have passing the arguments, that's it. And call, make a call arguments and catch. If there is a call, there is a function of the in the React this, you can see that constant call object assign everything. So in that you can see that arguments we need to pass, and then if there is error, then you can console that log. Okay, after this calling this function trigger call, you can by pressing on click, you can see that this function is triggered, and this argument will go help in making the call function and taking the argument. Then it will initiate the call, and as you can see that when I click on the call button, it will redirect me to the my dialer pad, right? So this is how we can use the React Native phone call, and it's very easy. Okay, so if you think that such functionality I need it, so you can use this module and go for it, right? Okay, so I hope you understand the what exactly we have done. If you have any issue, just write me in a comment box. Okay, if you find it like it is useful for you, then please let me know in the comment section that it is helpful for you at any of the project. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment.